So these are the headlights out of the vehicle, and this is the wiring. This is actually the good side. I already took the wiring out of this headlight and it was way worse than this, but as you can see, all the insulating, it's basically just fallen off. How it lasted so long and kept working, I have no idea, but it's basically the first I knew about it was, yeah, I went to replace the bulbs and thought, oh, that's not good. And yeah, the original plan was to pull wiring out. I couldn't actually find any harnesses anywhere for the HID version of these, but I thought I could get it rewired, but went to take out this side. This plugs into the self-leveling motor, which you can't get out because it's way in there, so you have to, the only way to get out is to unbolt this to move it, which I did on that side, but on this one, well, I'll show you. So on this side I had to drill these holes here to get the bolts out, but on this side one of them is below the manual adjuster and they're about this long, so there's no way to get them out without pulling the whole thing apart pretty much, because on this side it didn't actually have a bolt in there, it was just empty. So yeah, I tried getting the lenses off, but at the end of the day I found some new replacement headlights for 170 bucks, which was a great deal really, compared to the effort it would take to rewire both of these wiring harnesses, and I think the other one of these is broken anyway, so you may as well just replace the whole thing with new ones, aftermarket of course. And the new ones that I got, they're just standard bulbs, not HIDs, so don't have to worry about expensive bulbs from now on, which will be good. Also doesn't have the self-leveling motor, which doesn't worry me either, because yeah. To fit these to the car, I had to get these 10 pin to 12 pin adapters. To take a bit of force, but got them on. And yeah. And hopefully they should fit. Do we have a park light? That's a start. Go low beams. So far success. Highs. So I had to play around the wiring a bit, but got it to go, so it obviously wasn't connected properly. So I've gone and reinstalled it. The wiring's just chilling back there, but it should be alright for now. For anyone that is curious, if you want to take your headlight out, it's just 4 bolts, the 2 up here, and then there's 2 under here. There's 1 there, and there. You do have to take the bumper off, but it's pretty easy. So far we have everything on the left hand side is working and everything on the right hand except for low beam. So I've determined it has a good ground. It's been doing some testing, but no power supply, so look into that a bit more. So yeah, found the problem. It's just blowing fuse, probably from that dodgy wiring from the old headlight. So we finally have all the lights working. May at last. And before the bumper goes back on, probably take it down to the shop and get out the alignment beam setter, because the reflectors in there weren't quite lined up properly from the factory, so I'll probably have to mess around with those to get it right. But got the headlights in and aligned them, so now I'm just going to stick the bumper back on, and something I'll show you with the bumper. So the main thing, these slots here have to line up basically with these bits here. A little slot in itself. Same when you pull it out, basically just pull the bumper back and see it slots out like that, put it back in, same. As for the bolts, it's basically just 2 top ones up here on each side, 3 in the front. There's 2 hidden ones, 1 on each side, that are behind these like grill things. It's just like a nut that goes onto there, same on the other side. And then some that'll be in the wheel well, just that hold the guard on. So, and with these washer jets, if yours does have them, because they can be a bit confusing. Mine are all broken off, so it wasn't an issue, but that cap, you can pull this out, and they basically have these like tabs here, and you can just pop that cap off and then it go back in, then the bumper comes off. Now we got the grills to go back on. When taking these off, you'll see it has this little like slit there, which is supposed to allow this to come through. However, I don't know if it's just my one or they're all like this, but this slit that's in here is actually smaller than this, so it doesn't actually do anything. So I ended up having to like just cut the edge off this tab thing to actually get it out, which is kind of stupid, but I don't know. Let's just pop into the holes like that. It just sits there, and then it has some clips there, and they go into the hole here, and they just push in like that. Similar thing with these, they just have tabs at the bottom that slot into those holes down there. And they just go like that, and then those tabs at the top, they're just locking tabs, and they'll clip in. So yeah, when you go to take it out, basically just pop it out from the top carefully. You can pull it with these, just pull it, and then it'll just come out.